Hello guys, so this is our finished product or our egg and tomato recipe. Of course, the Philippine version. So here you have it, guys. Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today's recipe is we are going to cook a egg and tomato, the Philippine version. Of course, our ingredient is we need some egg. So I used 3 eggs here, and our red onion and four medium size of our tomato, and of course our garlic. And at the same time, guys, I'm going to use an extra virgin olive oil, and this one the patis, and this one the white ground pepper. Alright guys, so let's start cooking. So guys, here I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of our patis, this one, our fish sauce. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon. And this one, guys. So guys, this is our finished product for the egg. So let's start cooking now, guys. So guys, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So next is our egg. Here guys, I'm going to add a little bit of oil. There you go. Now guys, the garlic. Onion. Next guys is our tomato. Alright guys, so let's wait until our tomato are already cooked. Alright guys, so ouch. So here I'm going to add our egg. This one. So medium heat. So guys, I'm going to add our salt. So there you go. Let me taste again. Guys, it's good now. So let me just plate, guys.